What's happening, boys? Really quick, there's some new mods to the 340. I'm putting these in today. I'm gonna wash the car really quick. New steering wheel. This is actually the OEM steering wheel, but I wrapped it, and I'll have the wrap link in the description, the pedals, everything like that. Everything is linked in my description always. But yeah, this is the OEM wheel, and I spray painted these parts black, like this trim right here, and these little buttons, because yeah, I think it goes with the whole theme, all black. These panels I spray painted them with the same black spray paint, just a regular spray paint from Canadian Tire, but that's what it looks like. It looks crazy. This was carbon, actually. I had a carbon cover. It was fake. Sometimes less carbon looks better, so I removed that. This was silver though, like the OEM color. Probably the back, nah, it doesn't even show it, but that was silver. Sprayed that. Same with these, and I think it's gonna look a lot better once I get in the car. I gotta wash the car today, and I'll put all these in. But yeah, probably get a nice POV drive tonight. Yeah, nothing some Sharpie can't fix. Look at that. Scratch the whole thing up, bringing them out here. I had them in the same bag, and this is the best one. The rest of them, all over was scratched up, bro. I'm so mad, because I did them pretty good, but silly mistakes like that. Putting some Sharpie on there, shouldn't be able to see it. But yeah, this is the behind the scenes stuff. I usually don't record this stuff, but let me know if you guys like seeing me do everything to the car, because I can record more. I feel like I'm too picky with what I record. But yeah, from afar it looks good. I'll show y'all the other ones. Like this one was messed up bad. Like if you look, yeah, it's all messed up. But from afar, like y'all won't even be able to tell. It's just a $25 mod, nothing too crazy. This is the car in its dirty form. I'm about to wash it real quick. I don't know if I'm gonna wash it right here or I'm gonna take it to the car wash. I just have to, oh, actually did this part already. Yeah, this one came out good though. Luckily I didn't scratch this up, because that would have been bad, because that's like right in the middle. These ones are on the side. I can always get some other covers for that too, but I'm finna put this in right now. And yeah, this is the current steering wheel. I mean, I like this one a lot. It's not the OEM one, of course. This is the OEM one, but just made it look a little bit crazier. So I'm finna disconnect the battery, take out the airbag, and get this new one in there. I feel like it's gonna be so much better. Can't wait to drive this thing. It's already in my hand, like just holding it like this feels a lot better. All right, boys, we got the new steering wheel in the car, and this thing looks and feels crazy. It feels a lot better than the last one. It's a lot warmer because it is heated, but even with this thing off, if you guys didn't know, this is how you turn on your heated steering wheel. You guys might have it and not even know, but even with that off, it just feels a lot warmer in your hands, and it feels a lot better to hold on to. I got a whole little theme going on with the little armrest piece, the center trim right there. This just sticks on over the OEM one. Yeah, it's a nice little vibe with the stars and everything. Quick walk around of the car. I am running late, so I need to get going ASAP. I have some amber DRLs, probably gonna swap those out soon, but I gotta take my front lip off to get the bumper off to get to the modules. I'm just not trying to do all that right now, so probably when I break the front lip, I'll swap to the amber ones. I think they're gonna look a lot better. It's gonna be like that color right there, so just imagine that. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. Plus, everyone rocks yellow. I'm kind of over the yellow. I just don't want to do all that. I have no tints on the front either, but I'm gonna run it like this for now. I think it looks cool. Plus, I'm not trying to get another ticket. That's why I took them off. Yeah, well, I feel like I'm gonna hit my lip on there. Imagine, yo, I feel like that's hella close. I don't know, I risked it though. Yeah. Yeah, that's the only thing about having a lowered car. I can't even rush out there. I gotta take my time, because ooh, that steering wheel feels so good, bro. It's so much warmer. It's like comfy just to hold on to, and that's a good thing. Imagine that's a cop in front of me. Nah, we good though. It doesn't have the sirens on top, but some of them don't. So I won't let that trip me. They be undercovers here like crazy. See, trying to pull over, probably trying to turn around to come get me. 100% that boy trying to come get me. Mystery. I'm probably not though. Probably I'm just tweaking. I got PTSD. Nah, I think I'm good. Nice little audio up there. I'm still trying to make sure that cop ain't following me. If it was a cop even, but he got a trunk clip on too. He probably wants some action. Nah, he ain't about it. It's clean though. I ain't gonna lie. It's 4, I think. Holy shit, he's right beside me. Or that's another one, I don't even know. I think that's the same car. Crazy traffic. I thought there would be no traffic out at this time. It's only 7, but this is still a lot of traffic for 7 o'clock, I feel. Chrysler 300. That thing spinning tires on 91 octane on X-Drive is crazy. That just shows you what the B50 is about. That's just a downpipe and tune pretty much. Oh, should I miss? Oh, did I? Nah, I'm good. Thought I missed my turn. I spin a floor, but I don't think that's a smart idea right there. You gotta know when to not do things. Oh, I scraped my lip. That's what I get for almost flooring it right there. Because I am in X drive. I was trying to slide a little, but nah, ain't worth the risk. I need LSD so bad. I'm thinking to swap this to LSD, but I gotta do a whole bunch of different things than just the differential if I want that. These roads are to not be played with, and the potholes go crazy. XHP shifts is nice. It sounds like flames, like that specific like shift right there when I lift off the throttle. It sounded like a little flame. I don't know if there is. I feel like I might have flames because I mean my car is fully straight piped, so there might be. I have no clue though. I know it's not gonna be like no big flames, but I feel like there's a little something possibly. Or you probably have to tune your car for flames. I have no idea. Nice 5 series. I think it's a 528 or like a 530. I like the M5s of that generation. I don't remember what they're called, but they got a V10. Bends. Nah, I ain't no squeeze bends. I'm not about all that extra shit, bro. Low tire. Oh, probably the temperature. Because they definitely not low. I just washed my car, I would have seen it. Wait, with the change in temperature, if that ever happens to you guys, that's probably why. Because it's getting a lot colder, so the air is more dense, which makes it like, takes up less space, a bunch of science stuff. But if that happens and your tire's not actually low, it's just because it's getting colder outside. See, with no tints as well, I feel like the POVs are a lot better because you guys can actually see. With tints on the front, unless you have ceramics, and you gotta be rich for that. Well, not rich, but y'all know how much ceramic tints are. But with just regular tints up front, that should be hella hard to see from like side to side. It's just a lot of extra work. It looks good, don't get me wrong, but clean little Cadillac. It sounds good. But yeah, with no tints, I feel you guys can see a lot better. I can see a lot better. And yeah, it looks cool if the inside of your car is done. It forces you to keep your car clean too. That's enough of me ripping this thing for now though. Ooh, Christmas lights go crazy. Christmas is my favorite season. I just don't like the fact it's so cold and the car season is pretty much dead. If you live in Canada or somewhere that's cold, that's the only downside. But Christmas is my favorite season. Hopefully you boys enjoy this video though. Let me know what y'all think of the new steering wheel and the new trim. Just let me know what y'all think about the car in the comment section. The whole theme I got going on. But yeah, thank y'all boys for watching again. Catch you in the next one.